Hello everyone, in this presentation we are going to understand how to interface a 16x2 LCD in RP2040 Carrier Board from Vi-Microsystems. Here you are able to see the display as person counter, total count equal to 49, 50, 51, etc. This is one example where the number of people, those who are entering the hall, or number of people entering the entry point, so it can be displayed like this, like person counter, total count equal to 66, something like this. So this carrier board helps us to interface the 16x2 LCD display more comfortably like this. When you come to the coding part, here in the coding we are importing the pin function from the machine variable, as we see here, machine library, and here importing the GPIO LCD function from the GPIO LCD library, and then we are importing the time from the time library. So initially the count value is made as 0, and then we are initializing the LCD. So here you can able to see LCD means there is a register select and enable pin. So register select is to select the corresponding, these are the initialization steps. So the pin in the RP2040 assigned for register select pin in LCD is 8. So the 9th pin of RP2040 is connected to enable pin of LCD. Similarly, the 4 bits, 4 nibble value from the LCD is connected to 10, 11, 12 and 13th pin of this RP2040. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this 4 plus 2, 6 pins are connected to the LCD from the RP2040. So that is what initialized here. And then if you look at this segment which is highlighted, so here we are using the function called lcd.move to 0, 0. So 0, 0 means first column and first row. First row, first column. You are moving to first column and first row. In the first column and first row, we are writing the string called person counter. Within the double quotes, if you are giving the value, means that is a string. That string will be displayed from the first column and first row, because it is a 16x2 LCD display. From the first row and first column, the person counter string will get displayed, as we see in the kit. Here you can see the from the first row, first column, person counter is being displayed. Similarly, in the second row, from the first column, total count is being displayed. So for that, we are able to see the code means. If you see this, the total count, as you see here, the total count is here. So here you can see this 0, 1. So this 0, 0 means first row, first column. 0, 1 means second row. This one, the one denotes it is second row, and the 0 means first column. From the second row, first column, we are putting the string called total count, as we have seen in this screen. After that, this is what the initialization. The one time we are doing this, then we are keep on incrementing the count value. Something like person count is getting incremented. So the count value initializes 0. Then you keep on incrementing the count as count equal to count plus 1. And then this count variable, this count value, should increment in the second row, 13th column. The second row, 13th column, that is what the number 1 denotes, the second row, and in the 13th column it is getting reflected. So the count value gets reflected in the second row, 13th column, as you see here. So this is the second row, this is the second row, and this is the 16x2 LCD means 16 columns are there. So 16 means 16, 15, 14, 13. So 13th column, from the 13th column it is getting displayed, it is getting updated. You can see 268 counts are there. So this is how we have to initialize this LCD, and then we have to send the value to the LCD. So in the while loop, the count is keep on getting incremented, the incremented values keep on getting updated in the second row, 13th column. Due to this instruction, lcd.put string count value. So this is the count value is the variable, and the person counter and total count are the fixed text. So with 1 second time interval, the person counter values keep on incrementing. This is how it works. So this is a simple Python code for counting the number of persons who is entering the hall by interfacing it with RP2040 with 16x2 LCD in an RP2040 carrier board of Vi-Microsystems. Thank you very much.